Lesson 7.4, showing triangles are similar. Side, 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 and side angle side. That's what these mean up here. Side, 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 angle, side. So we already showed how two triangles were similar. In previous lessons, we used, I believe it was angle, angle. That was a postulate. But now we got the two triangles below. Are they similar? Why or why not? So I'll let you look at it for a second. And now I'm going to solve it. So what we do is we look for the smallest one. Smallest or biggest, doesn't matter. And I like to put the bigger one on top. 18 over 12 reduces to 3/2. Then I'll go for the biggest one, 18 and 24. Put the biggest on top. And it looks like there's a mistake here, which is kind of cool. This should be 16. So that would make this 16. That would make it 3/2. And then whatever's left, which happens to be the middle one. So if we look at all three sides and we say they all match up, they all have the same scale factor, then we say they're similar. We would say triangle LMK is similar to triangle, and look for the biggest and middle side, H, and then M is between the biggest and smaller side, J, and whatever's left over, G. Triangle LMK is similar to triangle HJG. We call this side-side-side similarity. If all three sides have the same scale factor, we have similar triangles. Now we know the angles are congruent. Originally, we did not know anything. We look at it, we match up. Oh, the sides match up. Therefore, they're similar. Therefore, the angles are congruent. So let's try it again. We look at these. We have congruent angles. And we compare the sides on either side. So biggest to biggest, 15 over 12 is 5/4. And then we compare the other two. 10 over 8, by shocking coincidence, is also 5/4. So we say these two triangles are similar. And why are they similar? Well, if you look at it, side, angle, side similarity. The included angle is congruent, and the sides have the same scale factor, 5/4 in this case. The two triangles are similar. It's just another way to do the problems we've been doing with angle. So practice which two triangles are similar, and then write the similarity. Triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PDQ. Now I'll do it. So big side. I'm going to try these two, and I'm going to put it right in the middle. 12 over 8 is 3/2. And small side, 6 and 4. 6/4, 3/2. So far, so good. And middle side, 9/6 is 3/2. So these two are similar. Let's go with a different color. And well, let's try the ones that are right next to each other. It's probably easiest. Biggest is 14 and 8. 14 over 8, 7/4. And go with the smallest side just to make it easy. 6 over 4 is 3 over 2. So we don't have to go any further. They're not similar. And if these are similar and these are not, pardon me, these are not similar, then we don't have to check the first and the last one. We know they won't be. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE. I'm checking to make sure I did it right. Yep, that looks good. Try another one below. Which two triangles are similar? There's missing information here. We have to know that these are parallel. If we know they're parallel, then these angles are the same. All right, I'll do it now. I can't actually do this without breaking out the triangles. And they have to both be triangles. I can't just use this area here. That's a trapezoid. Doesn't really help me. So 4 and 5, and that's the same angle. And actually, we don't need to know that they're parallel. We'll see if we can figure it out without that. This would be 12 and this would be 15. So we have a congruent angle in between. 15 over 5 is 3. 12 over 4 is 3. So scale factor is 3. And we can say triangle VWX is similar to triangle VYZ. And gave you an extra problem to do here. If WX is 7, what is YZ? Well, we just saw the scale factor is 3, so just 3 times 7, 21. My point is, don't expect this to be the scale factor. Yes, that's times 2. Yes, that's times 2. We're going to explore that in the next lesson, but it's not the scale factor because this is not the whole side of a triangle. So watch out for little things like that. That's it. Good luck.